All right, I've already done this for the other ones, but I'm gonna show you just what I did. I just selected one of these little runners, basically. Like if you look at this particular plant, it's a tomatillo, and it starts running from the base of this jar all the way down here. There's another little runner. I'll probably take that one, just for the purposes of showing you what I did. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that tomatillo blossom off of there, and then I'm gonna stick them in some water. So what I did with the other ones is I just stuck them in a net cup and stuck them in a mason jar, and stuck that mason jar out in my greenhouse, and now we have roots. I'll show you here in just a second. You recording already? All right, we're gonna see how this go. Got my tomatillos right here. I just clipped them up just like I showed you in the previous video, and put them in a net cup, put them in a mason jar, filled it with water. Actually, that's a ball jar, my bad. Yeah, and here we are. I didn't take the blossoms off of these ones, but you can see, man, I got good roots. You know, I feel like tomatillos happen a lot like tomatoes, and being that they're easy to make, more of them. This one don't have very much root structure, so I'm gonna try to be extra careful so I don't break this root. I don't want to shock this plant, so I'm gonna have to actually push some more soil in here. Press them down a little bit. And I bottom watered these overnight, but still didn't, I didn't have enough water in the reservoir. So anyway, these took about, these took about a week. I think it took me a week to get these roots to this point. Looks like I'm gonna have to add more soil, which I'll do after this video. But for right now, I'm just gonna go and knock it out and get it done. I don't bury these up to the last, like up to here on these tomatillos, because I don't really trust that for tomatillos, and I know these have strong enough root structure to fill these out, and by the time they get to their new homes, they'll be ready to start be placed in another bucket or another container in the ground and ready to grow. So I should wait a few days on that guy. I'm gonna wait a few days on that guy. Even though I know he'll be all right, I'm gonna wait a few days on him. This one, see if I can move this out the way. This one, I'm gonna pot this one up right now. Oh, my headset falling out. All right. I really appreciate y'all being here with me today and checking out this video. If you found anything of use, please hit the like button. If you didn't see anything you could use, please hit the like button. I'm trying to make Tesla money on YouTube. I pot these up. I took these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one ain't ready to go yet either. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I took these 7, and actually I just took this the one I just took this morning, so I'm gonna just drop him back on in here. I think I am gonna pot this guy up and see what happens. Like, I ain't got nothing to lose, so I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, actually I have 2 more that I need to plant. So I got this one who's struggling a tad, but it wants to grow roots. So we're just gonna plant them up. About done a Rooney. Some more soil for this guy. Got some right here. There we go. And we are in there. Just firm this soil down a bit. Go sit these up under the sprinkler for a minute or 2. They are good to go. Like, I'm going to just leave them out in the sun. They've been out in the sun for the last month, so I'm not really too much worried about them. Like I said, I got 2 more that need to root out some before I get ready to put them out. Maybe it be, 2-3 days, maybe be a week before I get these potted up in some dirt. All right, I sell these for $3 a piece. I mean, and it's it's skill, but the skill that I picked up learning how to grow other things, it's translated into money for me. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you have a fantastic day.